Hello everybody on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner on Final Cut Pro X. The final product will look just like this. Let's start. So what you want to do is first go to Safari, put YouTube banner template, and I can leave a link to the description below to the one that I use. So once you save image to downloads, you can download or save image as or image to photos. And then in Final Cut Pro X, you're going to want to do File, New. I'll go ahead and just do a new event, YouTube banner, and then a new project, YouTube banner. So there's a chance that yours could be set to automatic settings. So all you gotta do is just click use custom settings, and then over on video, go down to custom. So the number that you want for custom is just go to downloads, click on the file, and you'll see the numbers 2560 and 1440. It's actually hard to see on that one, but I already know the number, so it's 2560, 1440. The frame rate and everything doesn't matter. Everything else is fine. Hit OK. And now we just drag this in, and there we go. We got the right size. Desktop minimum and mobile is just right here. Tablet is what you see over here. Desktop max is this whole thing, and then the TV is all of this. I usually mainly just focus on desktop minimum and mobile, and then the rest I don't really worry too much about. So now that we have our templates here, something you can do is click down on generators, and you can just click on really any of these different things. I like just having a solid color. Put that under there. Now for a YouTube banner, you can really put anything you want. Something that a lot of people do is they'll have a picture of themselves, and so what you'll want to do is match the picture of you inside of the desktop minimum and mobile area. So once you get an area that you like, you can now go in and mask. You go over to effects and scroll down until you see masks. On the new update it's now masks and keying, but on the update before the newest one it just has masks on it. Draw mask, and now this is where you go. So now this is where you just pretty much click every single. You add a mask point to the whole part that you want of yourself, and when you say we're going on a corner, you can click here and drag to have a circle go. Let's quickly fast forward this. All right, and there we go. And another thing is, if you're trying to get another mask in where you've already masked, you can just double click on the area, and it'll go ahead and add another one. And if you hit Command Z, it'll undo what you just did. So now click on this button right here to remove the mask line, and usually what you'll want to do is feather just a little bit. Click on here, it feathers it outwards, and you move it up, it feathers it forward. So you can just find a mask where you like it. Alright, so now that you got your picture, another thing you can do is just add titles of whatever you want. So for this channel, I want to cover basically Final Cut Pro X and filmmaking. So I'll go to basic commercial for the font size, or for the font, and I'll just put Final Cut Pro X. Have that nice big letters. And too, with color, you can go down to the face, and you can then come down here and change the color to anything you want. You got all these different options. Command B cuts what you have, and then you hit delete on this one. Alright, so Command C, Command V copies and pastes the next one. If you click on it, hold down Shift, you can then bring it straight upwards or downwards. You can't move it outwards, so it's nice and even. And then I'm going to put film making. So since I want this channel to cover Final Cut Pro X and just filmmaking in general, I just want to have these two words on the banner. Alright, so now with the color blue, I'll move it above the YouTube channel banner, and I'll just use the crop to get it to match up with right where these lines are. So that was the bottom, and now the top. And then another cool thing that you can do is, if you go back to generators, there are so many different cool materials and things that you can add to your stuff. So I'm going to add this beam right here and have it cover the line. And I would, once again, I would just hit Command C, Command V to paste it. And then I'll just click it and move it above it. So now when I get rid of the channel banner, this is what people would see. With the generators, they're really cool because if you go into the generator tab, you can actually change the glow, change the size, change the angle of it, change the color. So it gives you a lot of options that you can use with it. And since this color is blue, I'll go ahead and just make these colors both blue. There we go. Once again, you can add anything extra that you want. Just remember to follow this template, since this will have the lines for everything that you need. So once you're done, you go up to File, Share, and you're going to want to hit Save Current Frame. If you haven't saved that yet, you click on Add Destination, and it'll be right over here on Save Current Frame, so you can just drag it, bring it over here. So once you have that, you just hit File, Share, Save Current Frame, go into Settings, and you just want to make sure it's on JPEG image. I'll just call it YouTube banner. Save it to your desktop or anywhere you want. So once you're on YouTube, click on your icon up here, click on your channel. It brings you to this page, hit Customize Channel, go over to Branding, and then on the banner image, hit Change. Click on the file you just saved, Upload. It shows you what it looks like, and it tells you on the devices, desktop, TV, all devices. Hit Done, Publish. Now after you published it, hit View Channel, and you'll see you now have your new banner. And thank you so much for watching. I plan on uploading a lot of Final Cut Pro X tutorials and things related to filmmaking, and that is it for this video.